Hello, welcome to the online section for Class 8 Computer Science. The topic for today is types of operating system. The type based on the computer they control. First one, single user, single task operating system. An operating system that allows a user to perform only one task at a time. It is called single user, single task operating system. It can perform functions like printing, downloading, etc. at a time for a single user. Examples are MS-DOS, Palm OS, etc. Nowadays, these systems are not being in use. Second one, single user multitask operating system. Here, an operating system that allows a single user to perform more than one task at a time. Examples of these operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Macintosh OS, etc. For example, in the case of Microsoft Windows, when you are using Microsoft Word, you can just use Google Chrome or Windows Media Player to play the song or anything. The third one, it is multi-user OS. In multi-user operating systems, several users to utilize the programs or computer resources that are concurrently running on a single network server. It allows two or more users to share the same task at once. Examples are Unix and MVS, etc. As you can see in the figure, while doing a client engineering operation, the same server is responsible for just managing the device management. The same server's resources can be used by a computer which is using device packages or field level kind of tasks. So the devices which is connected to the server can use all the resources from the server. Moving on to the next topic, types of operating system based on user interface. What do you mean by user interface? User interface is a set of commands, menus and items that a user need to communicate with a computer. Based on the user face it is used, it is classified into two types. First one, CUI. CUI means character user interface or command line user interface. A CUI is an interface which the tasks are performed by typing some commands. Commands is a combination of text and symbols. It is easy to understand and execute, but it is not user friendly because the user may remember all the required commands to execute some task. Example is DOS operating system. Second one, it is GUI, graphical user interface. A graphical user interface is an operating system that have visually attractive icons and buttons, windows and menus on the screen which helps the user to carry out the task which simply needs the click of a mouse. It is easier to work compared to the command line operating system, which enables the user to carry out multiple tasks or switch between different applications at the same time. Example is Microsoft Windows, Macintosh OS, etc. Now, what are the major difference between CUI and GUI? At first, a CUI uses keyboard to input the commands, but GUI uses keyboard, mouse or any other input devices to input the commands. In CUI, a user need to remember all the commands and their syntax. But in GUI, a user gives commands by simply clicking on the icons and buttons on the screen. Examples of CUI are MS-DOS, Linux Bash Shell, etc. Examples of GUI are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, etc. Now we are moving into answer the questions. First question, what is the need of an operating system? Answer, an operating system is a system software which acts as an interface between user and the computer. User uses application software to send the instruction to the OS, and it passes those instructions to control the hardware devices. Second question. Give any two functions performed by an operating system. Answer. Processor management. That is, the OS decide which process get the processor when and for how much time. This function is called scheduling or process scheduling. It keeps track of the processor and status of process. Allocate the processor or CPU to a process. Second one, device management. An operating system manages device communication and its functioning. That is known as device management. It keeps track of all devices, decides which process get the device when and for how much time. Third question. Explain the following types of operating system. A. Single user, single task. B. Single user, multitask. Now answer for the first one. A single user, single task operating system that allows a single user to perform only one task at a time. It can perform functions like printing, downloading, etc. at a time for a single user. Examples are MS-DOS, Palm OS, etc. Answer B. An operating system that allows a single user to perform more than one task at a time is called single user multitasking operating system. Examples are Microsoft Windows and Macintosh OS. That's it for today's classes. Hope you enjoy this section. Thank you.